Okay guys, today I'll be showing you the dang it, I'm not gonna put it back there. Disassembly of the Wii remote. I got the mini kind. It works, as you can see. First you're gonna pop your back cover off. Then, as you can see, you pop out the back cover, then take out the batteries. As you can see, it got water damage.
See, I can got these.
So, because I dropped it in the thing right here. I accidentally dropped it in that. So see, when you take that out, so if you have water damage, you take that out, and there's a little button. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can't see it.
Hey! Who slammed that? Did you slam that door? There you did. She was right there. I'll put her in. You do not slam the door. Do you understand? I don't care. You do not slam the door like that. You understand?
That was harsh. Okay, so if you have water, I don't know if you can see, but there's a little button right up in here. I'm still laughing at that thing when I said that was harsh. Look, that thing right there, there's a little button, and you're just going to hold it for about 5 seconds. One, 5 about. Okay. So then when you do that, this little thing, you'll hear a little click. A little click. One, I didn't do it long enough. Okay, now look. See, that'll just pop off like that. I'll just extend up. Well, mine does. I don't know if yours does. You might have the old crappy one, but I got the new one. And all you can see in there is the water eat up all the circuits. It's not in there no more. See, as you can see right there, that pops up and you can just drain the water and it'll work again. No, really, it'll drain the water and it'll work like brand new again. If you just see, once you pop that off, then it'll drain all the water, which I done did before I made this video, which I shouldn't have, that way I could show y'all. Then you're just going to pop that back in and hold that for another 5 seconds. Then that won't pop off no more. Then you'll just pop that back on. It works brand new. Watch those lights light up. See, they lit up. I'm just not going to show you.